Hi everyone, welcome back to my LinkedIn API using Python video series. In last two videos, we have learned about how to set up resources for LinkedIn APIs, and we also learned about how to get these access token. So in today's video, what we are going to cover is how to get member details, and by getting those details, we will learn how to generate person's URL, and we will talk about what is that, right? And in the end, we will see why we can't use other APIs, which is having me in the endpoint. So let me import two libraries first. I already saved my access token here in this config file. So let me get that. And to get member detail, the API is here, which is in consumer APIs. You have this page sign with LinkedIn using OpenAI Connect, and there you will find this section, right? API to retrieve member details. So endpoint is simple, which is v2 user info. And the other way is in our application, we already set up these products, right? So you can find which endpoints you can use from here as well. So we are going to cover these products endpoint, which is this one, v2 user info. So let me run that. Here you will see it is returning some information. That's the only thing we can get from an user profile, right? And all these details are mentioned here. No? So probably you will ask why we can't get other users information, right? To get other user information, the endpoint is different, which is me endpoint, and which falls under this compliance API, and here in this profile API. Yeah, so you can see the endpoint is me. And why we can't use this? Because we are not allowed to use this API unless we have a partnership with LinkedIn. So you can read more details about this API here and in FAQ. How can I get access to, right? Which says this program is private and paid partnership, right? And I'm not sure why, but this form is not working as well, right? So I'm not sure how to get these things done. So that's why we are not going to cover that, because we are testing APIs as individual developers, right? We have this information available. Let's see how to generate this person URL. So why it is useful? Because in upcoming videos, we are going to share content on LinkedIn, and where we need this author field, which is actually a person URL. It's easy to generate. We just need to extract this sub from here, and we just need to build this person URL by adding this text just before this sub. So yeah, that's all for the video. In upcoming videos, we will see how to share content on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.